So hi guys, in this video I'll be unboxing refurbished OnePlus 5 which I bought yesterday and I received it today itself from Amazon. So as I was about to buy this thing, I had lots and lots of concerns how the refurbished product actually looks like, what's there inside the box. So this video is for you guys if you have the similar concerns. So I just bought it today. Today it's 6th May 2019. So I bought it from Amazon summer sale. The price was 19,499. So I got an additional discount of 1,500. That was 10% discount on SBI cards up to 1,500 rupees. So I got additional 1,500 discount. So the actual cost was 18,000 for this refurbished, renewed OnePlus 5. So this is 8GB variant, 8GB, 128GB storage and 8GB RAM. This is midnight black OnePlus 5 renewed. So it's written here also on top of this. So I'll just unbox this and let's see what's there inside the box. Before that, what all things did they mention while I was about to purchase? So this is a refurbished product, tested and certified by professionals, minimal or no signs of wear and tear. Let's see what's there actually. And it has 6 months warranty. The original product is covered with 1 year warranty, so this is refurbished, so this has warranty of about 6 months. So let's finally open this and see what's there inside the box. So see, as the MRP is just 37,999. That's again that was for the new product, but this is refurbished. So let's just see. I'm opening it. Boom. So this is major thing. Okay. See, it's actually covered with screen guard or something. What is it? This is actually a screen guard. Talking about wear and tear and some scratches. Can you see anything? Do you see? I don't see any. So looks in good condition. The upper one is screen guard, maybe. Yes, that's good. They just gave me the screen guard as well. And see, what else do we have here? We have this warranty information, warranty card. Thank you for shopping on Amazon, renewed. So this was. See, also I won't be covering up the specifications. You can see surf on any other site for the specifications. Just unboxing. This video will cover up just the unboxing. So we have a dash charger here, right? So this seems a bit scratchy. So this is the charger. It seems like we have some scratches, right? And the cable. The cable is in good condition. Okay, seems good, fine. And this pin for SIM trays and all. So let's see if the charging works. The charger works or not. Okay, do we have any port? Bring it here. So it's on. Boom. So charger is working perfectly fine. 91% charged. Let me just start this device. no need of charging as such. So, yeah, scratches here. Also what I'll do is, after a few months of my hands on this device, I'll be putting on another video which would be covering about my experience, how I actually was this product. So make sure to subscribe to my channel so that you get notified whenever I put the other video. So seems perfectly well, so make sure to see the other video as well. Agree, amen, and connect, skip as it now. Searching for Wi-Fi, let me turn on hotspot. So all those things could be done. So I just wanted to cover up the unboxing part in this video. So this was it for this video. Make sure to subscribe to our channel so that you get notified whenever I put the other video where I share out the experience of how I actually felt using this OnePlus 5 device. Okay, bye bye.